we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of GAESTE 6, 8, 10, 12, Queen Cooling Gel Memory Foam, Medium Firm Mattress, that's include. Cooling Gel Memory Foam, enjoy a cool and restful night with our gel-infused memory foam. This advanced technology manages heat, ensuring you stay cool and comfortable. Say goodbye to sweaty, restless nights. Affordable comfort, exceptional comfort at an unbeatable price. Sleep soundly on a high-quality mattress that fits your budget. Comfort and savings go hand in hand with our thoughtfully designed mattress. Ideal medium firmness, discover the harmony of support and comfort with our medium firm mattress. It conforms to your body's shape, offering the perfect level of firmness. Rise each morning feeling refreshed and pain-free. Certified safe materials, sleep soundly on our mattress, made with top-grade CERTI per US certified foam and covered in an OEKO-TEX certified cover. Convenient mattress in a box, hassle-free setup with our mattress that comes neatly packaged. Just unbox, unroll, and watch it transform into a plush mattress. Enjoy ultimate comfort without the fuss. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.